Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we are going to be making a tin can windsock. So to get started with this project, just grab a tin can out of your recycling. I'm just using a 400 ml tin can, and you'll need a plain piece of paper, and a pencil, and a ruler. So I'm just going to measure the height of this can. It turns out that it's 4 inches. And I'm going to use that measurement to create a strip of paper that I can wrap around the can. So you can get your loved one to help you out with this step. They can hold the ruler for you, or you can hold the ruler and they can draw the line. And then once the line is drawn, go ahead and cut it to make your strip of paper. So next I'm going to grab my purple disappearing glue. I'm just going to cover the back side of that paper with glue and get the tin can covered with the paper. So now we have a surface that we can paint on with our watercolor paints. So let your loved one paint the can in whatever way they like. I've used a Canada Day theme for this project because that's the holiday that we're getting this weekend. But of course, let your loved one's creativity take them wherever they want to go with this. You may be wondering why I didn't paint the paper before rolling it onto the can, and the reason for this is because adding a 3D element to a painting project, it challenges the brain a little bit more. It makes use of logic and puzzling skills. And any way that we can involve the brain more with Alzheimer's activities is a good thing. So once you're done painting the can, you can let that dry. And this is optional. I've provided a template with July 4th decorations on it with the stars, or maple leaves for Canada Day. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the maple leaves for Canada Day. And then I'm going to glue them onto my can. So now we're going to add the hole to the top of the can. So using a hammer and a punch, I'm making the hole, but you can also use a nail if you have that on hand. And then I have this old cord that I'm going to use as the string for the can. You can of course use a shoelace or yarn or whatever else you have in the house. So I'm just going to tie a few knots into this cord, and that should hold it in place. Okay, it's ready for its tail. So I've got some magazine pages here. I found one that's red and white, and also one that's red and blue, and I'm going to cut it into strips to make the tail. Then grabbing white glue, I'm just putting a dab on the end of each piece and on the inside of the can, sticking them down. So be careful with this step in case the can is sharp. You don't want to cut yourself on that. And if you find that the little strips are not sticking too well while the can is on its side, I also found that turning the can onto its top and sticking the strips down the inside and laying them over the top worked quite well as well. Now that the can is dried, I'm going to hang it outside. Happy Canada Day, everybody! And to my friends in the States, Happy July 4th. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead and hit that like button, and if you know anyone who would benefit from this content, be sure to share it with them. And also hit that subscribe button. I put out a new video every weekend. Have a great day.